In my house, the kitchen is one of the biggest cleaning bottlenecks, and if it is not clean in the morning, it is disastrous by the end of the day. And I have found this to become incrementally worse since working from home. Now, granted, I've been working from home since 2008, but still, I have noticed a difference. So in this video, I'm gonna show you my kind of 10-minute morning kitchen reset routine. I'm just gonna walk you through all the things I do to get this kitchen set up and ready for the day. And just a quick reminder, if you haven't done so already, to subscribe to the Clean My Space channel, give this video a thumbs up if you want more reset routine videos, and stick around to the end of this video because I have a big announcement from Makers Clean that I can't wait to share with you. Before I get started with kitchen cleaning, and I'm going to get into the 3-wave system shortly, I always start by unloading the dishwasher. This has to be job one. And if you don't have a dishwasher, this means you have to clean your dishes and get your sink empty and prepped. Otherwise, you can't do anything else. Now, when I unload the dishwasher, I always try to grab like items so that way I can stack them and place them where they need to be together. It's just sort of a time-saving technique that I've developed. Now that the dishwasher is done, I'm moving into wave 1 of our 3-wave system. And if you're not familiar with the Clean My Space 3-wave system, it's a good one. And I have a whole video explaining how it works in the links down below. There's also an ebook that you can check out, but the 3-wave system is definitely the way to go. So wave 1 entails me just walking around the kitchen in a clockwise manner, collecting everything that is out of place. I'm gonna centralize it right here on the counter and then deal with it. That way I'm not running around the kitchen like a chicken with my head cut off, or if you're a vegan, like a carrot with its head cut off. The other thing I'm doing here is pre-treating anything that I know is going to require some extra work. This just makes my future job a little bit easier. Now I'm going to get started with wave 2, which is where the cleaning of the kitchen takes place. And you'll see that all of the surfaces here are prepped and primed and ready for cleaning. So they're clear, but they still have dirt on them. Plus I have all the dishes that I need to deal with as well. Now to do this wave of cleaning, I'm using the Makers Clean kitchen cloth, which is designed to replace paper towels and other disposable cleaning cloths. They are washable and reusable, unlike paper towels or other disposable products. They rinse clean and they dry fast. I'm also grabbing a mini spatula, and this is to help scrape away anything that is stuck onto dishes before I load them into the dishwasher, because wherever possible, I try not to rinse. Now, of course, every now and then I am going to have to pre-rinse, and what I've learned is that if your dishwasher is going to sit for a while before you run it through, you want to avoid food getting hardened on, so it might be a better idea to pre-rinse, but generally speaking, you want to avoid running water as much as you can. I'm also hand washing any items that require it. I don't know about you, but I always wear rubber gloves when I do this to help protect my hands, but also it makes me feel like a cleaning superhero, and I just go at things a little bit harder. Does anyone else find cleaning reusable straws an extremely annoying job? I don't know, I like using them, but my gosh, I feel like it's a waste of time. I also found a crusty spot that I'm pre-treating to make the job easier. So now that the dishes are done, the counters are essentially clean and I can get to work cleaning the actual surfaces. So I'm starting at one end of the kitchen and just spraying the surfaces down with my famous all-purpose cleaner, working from left to right, top to bottom. I'm picking up items on the counter, wiping them over the floor, and then replacing them neatly. Now, if I know there's a surface that needs the product to sit on it for a period of time, I will pre-treat it, but all of the stuff on these surfaces are just kind of surface dirt. So I'm not worrying about pre-treating too much here. What I really like about this kitchen cloth is that I can run it under water really quick, rinse all of the debris away, it wrings out super well, and then I can get right back to cleaning. Nothing makes my kitchen feel shinier than nice, clean stainless steel appliances. No kitchen cleaning is complete without giving your sink a scrub down, and in this case I am using a bit of dish soap and some baking soda to work away all of that grimy buildup. Once that's done, I'm emptying those sink strainers, and then I'm just going right ahead and emptying my compost and garbage. I sort of jumped the gun because I was on such a roll when I finished cleaning the sink, which is the last thing you do in wave 2. and then I just went right to emptying the compost and emptying the garbage. But the start of wave 3 is emptying all garbages, recycling, compost, what have you, in that particular room. And then you finish off by cleaning the floors. Now, in my kitchen, we have hardwood. I don't like mopping hardwood too often. It's just not healthy for the floors. I will look and spot clean as needed. I'll mop, say, once a month. But right now, I'm just gonna vacuum the floors and then kind of reassemble the kitchen chairs. To do this, I'm using my Dyson V15 Detect Submarine. And I'm not using the submarine head, which is the wet head. I'm just vacuuming to get rid of debris. So that is the daily kitchen reset. Now, some days it might take you a little longer than 10 minutes, depending on how much cleaning is required. This definitely took me a little longer than 10 minutes because I had some hand washing to do. But in my opinion, it was totally worth it. My kitchen looks amazing, and I feel so much better about just moving on with my day and not having a messy kitchen. And that brings me to this week's comment question, which is, what's your take on stainless steel appliances? They've been en vogue for a very long time now, and some people are just getting custom cabinetry covers for their appliances if they have those fancy kitchens. And other people are just saying, you know what, I'm gonna stick with those white appliances or black appliances because I can't deal with the fingerprints. Now, we recently got new appliances, we chose stainless steel, and I have to say, I am just way happier with the look, even though there is a little bit more maintenance involved. I just felt like white appliances didn't give my kitchen the same oomph. But I'd love to know your thoughts in the comments down below. Now, I did ask you to stick around to the end of this video to learn about the special offer I had over at Makers Clean, our sister company where we sell all of our amazing microfiber cleaning tools and more. What I want to tell you is this is our kitchen cloth. We launched it last year. It sold out in 2 weeks. So we kind of revamped it a little bit, but we have our 5-pack on an introductory offer for 15 bucks. So you get 5 of these amazing cloths that are designed to replace paper towel and other disposable cleaning cloths. They rinse clean, they don't smell, and yeah, they don't cling on to debris. So they're really, really great, machine washable. We love them, use them all the time. I've got a link for you down below, and don't forget there's that introductory offer. The price will not always be that way. 5 cloths for 15 bucks. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.